Alright guys, now that we have inserted and created our first page, which is the title page along with the welcome message, and on the second section we have inserted a stripe which looks kind of like this. So far it's looking great, but now that we have already inserted multiple images, we want to break the section and we want to insert a visual menu. So how will we insert a visual menu in Wix? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just click on this plus sign right here and you will find all the elements out here. Just click on the strip and we have different ones like we have already inserted, but this time we will use the one which doesn't have an image. So let's say this one, this is the services, but let me just choose the location first. Let me just make sure that if you want to insert it somewhere down here, we have to move on to this point and then click on this plus sign right here and then insert the image. And if you want to still make sure that it inserts it in the right area, you can just drag and drop like this. Nothing happened. Let me just do it again. So as you can see that it inserted it down here. Now it looks quite nice. Let me just change this picture because this is not looking very nice. Let's say I want to change it to a colorful picture, something like that. So I want to put none here and I want to change it to a colorful picture, something like, let's say this one. Now this looks nice. Now it's not necessary to add the effect, so let's keep it as it is at this point. And now that we have changed the background, let's try a different effect as well that looks proper. So for example, I want to change the effect to fade in and just close out of here. So make sure that the image is looking properly even after inserting the effects. So only that way it will show properly like this. As you can see, it kind of fades in just like that. When we scroll down, it is fully visible. And when we scroll up, it kind of fade out. So this looks nice. Let's go back to the editor. Now, if you want to change the color scheme, you can simply change the color scheme here. Very simple. You can change the background. As you can see, we have different columns inserted in this stripe: column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4, as you can see on the captions. And for each, there are different settings. You can change the background. You can change any vector art, whatever you want. You can change the basic shape from here. And basically, you can insert it whatever you want here. You can change it and replace it with your name. And you can change the text about it. If you want to add some links to this read more section, so for example, it is about our interesting journey, just see the vlog right here. So if you want to link it to a vlog or a video, just double click right here and just choose a link and you will follow the same process as I have shown earlier. Now, same thing goes here. You can change, you can even add this like explore with us the complete journey, the details about the journey, what is the cost of the overall trip, and let's say you want to see the vlog, then go in here and watch the amazing vlog. And you want to link it to different sections, pages, or videos, you can do that. So it's that simple. If you want to change the background color like this one, I want to change this to, let's say this one. Oh, this one is also very nice, guys. Well, let me just choose any color. Let's click on add and let's see the color that complements our theme. So let's say this one. Let's click on apply. Just taking an example, you can just change it to gradient and let's move it to that scheme. Now this one looks nice. All right, let's try different kind of themes here. And let's say I want to choose this one. Close out of here. And this is how you can fully design this section. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can insert the visual menu. Right now, we are just taking an example of how you can customize different things in Wix. But obviously, when you are completely designing your website for your brand, it might take some time to think about different sections and how we can customize these. But that's only about it. You can also take the support of ChatGPT here that just define that I have a strip of 4 sections and I want to insert these kind of details. So it will tell you all the contents that you can put in right here. Sounds interesting? Just practice this by yourself, and then we will move to the next video.